Running a service business can get crazy sometimes. Keeping up with the appointment schedules, staying in touch with your staff out in the field, and the amount of invoices and reports to keep on top of is definitely tough. Luckily, there's Workiz. Workiz makes scheduling, invoicing, and keeping track of your work easy. You can schedule work in seconds. Just add a job, assign it to a tech, and send. You can even communicate in real time with your team out in the field. Workiz streamlines your income as well. You can invoice clients and charge credit cards. Workiz can even calculate complex employee commissions for you and eliminate all that paperwork. And because it's 100% cloud-based, it's always mobile, so you can do everything from just about everywhere. It's the most simple and efficient way to run your service business. Sign up today for your 14-day free trial.